Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix any bug in Threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for internet speed check. So you must have a good internet connection. So you can see that I'm having a good speed, so I'm not facing any issue in my thread. So this is the first method. Sometimes you can face an issue due to low internet speed. So the second process, or you can say a second method, is to check is threads down. So sometime you can face an issue and you can use this website to check that is thread working properly or not. As you can see that there is no issue in threads in the last 24 hours. So this is the second method. And the third method you can use is to open Play Store and search for the threads app. So click on that and you need to update an application. So once you've done that, your issue will be solved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.